Hello students, I am Avdesh Kumar Jha. We are going to discuss the question answer of chapter 1 of political science of class 9th. In the previous video we have discussed the question number 1 to question number 5. In this video we are going to discuss the rest question answer. Question number 6. There are 40 villages in a district where the government has made no provision for drinking water. These villagers met and considered many methods of forcing the government to respond to their need. Which of these is not a democratic method? A. Filing a case in the courts claiming that water is a part of right to life. B. Boycotting the next election to give a message to all parties. C. Organizing public meetings against government's policy. D. Paying money to government officials to get water. Answer is D. Paying money to government official to get water is not democratic method. Question number 7. Write a response to the following arguments against democracy. A. Army is the most disciplined and corruption-free organization in the country. Therefore, army should rule the country. Answer. The army is for the defense of the country. Its primary duty is to defense. Its primary duty is defense and not governance. Also, army officials or officers are not elected by people. So, they can't rule the country. B. 7B question. Rule of the majority means the rule of ignorant people. What we need is the rule of the wise, even if they are in small numbers. Answer is rule of rule of majority is democratic as it represents the views of all section of people. Illiterate and poor people can't be called ignorant. At least they can realize which representative is good for them. Democracy means equal opportunity to all without any discrimination. Question number 7C. If we want religious leaders to guide us in spiritual matters, why not invite them to guide us in politics as well? The country should be ruled by religious leaders. Answer is this statement is completely wrong. We should not mix religion and politics, especially in a multiracial, multi-religious and multi-linguistic country like India. Besides, many religious leaders do not have any experience of administration. Question number 8. Are the following statements is keeping with democracy as a value? Why? A. Father to daughter, I don't want to hear your opinion about your marriage. In our family, children marry where the parents tell them to. Answer is this statement is undemocratic because Girl is not allowed to give her opinion relating to her own marriage. Just as the people have the right to choose their representative, the girl should also be allowed to have a say in the selection or choice of her husband. B. Question number B. Teacher to a student. Don't disturb my concentration by asking me questions in the classroom. Answer is, this statement is also undemocratic because the student is not being allowed to ask questions. Question number C, 8C. Imply to the officer, our working hours must be reduced according to the law. The answer is, this statement is democratic because it calls for the reduction of working hours according to law. Question number 9. Consider the following facts about a country and decide if you would call it a democracy. Give reasons to support your decision. A. All the citizens of the country have right to vote. Elections are held regularly. Answer is, we call it democracy. A country where all the citizens have a right to vote and elections are held regularly can certainly be called democratic because the basic conditions are being fulfilled. Question number B. The country took loan from international agencies. One of the conditions for giving loan was that the government would reduce its expenses on education and health. Answer is, the country would be undemocratic. Democratic countries are generally welfare states. If a country reduces expenses on education and health, it will definitely harm the people. Thus, the country is undemocratic as it could not get the loan by reducing its expenses on education and health. Question number C. People speak more than 7 languages, but education is available only in one language. The language is spoken by 52% people of that country. Answer is in a multilingual country, making any one language as the official language or a national language is a complicated situation. In democracy, people should enjoy the freedom to have education in their own language. Thus, the country is undemocratic. Question number D. Several organizations have given a call for peaceful demonstration and nationwide strikes in the country to oppose these policies. Government has arrested these leaders. The answer is, the country is not democratic because the people are not allowed to hold peaceful demonstrations or oppose government policies. Question number E. The government owns the radio and television in the country. All the newspapers have to get permissions from the government to publish any news about government's policies and protests. Answer is, the country is undemocratic. A country which imposes censorship of both print and electronic media is undemocratic because freedom of speech and expression is a fundamental right of the people in a democracy. Question number 10. Answer of question number 10 is there is no denying the fact that poverty has a direct and deep impact on democracy. Modern democracy is a form of government run by the rich section of society. The rich control the media and use it for their own benefit. Influence of the rich over politics is clearly visible in countries like England, USA. In India, only the rich can contest election. The votes of poor people are bought and sold. The poor can't fight elections against the rich to get elected. Like USA, in India, different political parties pay more attention to the concerns of the rich who contribute most of their funds.